See, this is a list of 55 best AI tools of 2025. This is a blog published by Synthesia, very nice blog, and tried and tested tools. But what I want to also share is that I don't think just knowing tools is good enough these days. You need to know exactly how these tools work. Plus, you need to combine many tools if you want to make something. So, let's say you want to make a video, then you probably need three or four tools right now, except if you use VO3 that does lip syncing everything. So, first, you need a character, you need to make images, then you need to turn those images into video. Use video imaging tools like InVideo, Kling, VO3, all these things. And then you need some sort of voice. So, you need 11 Labs or something. Then you need if you need an AI clone, you need HeyGen. Then if you need lip syncing, then you need something else. And then finally, you need some post production things like editing, whatever. But these are some of the famous tools that they have mentioned. I think these are good enough to just see, okay, if you are interested in writing, then these are the ones. Image generation, these are the ones. Note takers in meeting, these are the ones. But again, many good tools are not listed here. So let's say Granola is a very beautiful tool, not listed. There's many other assistants now not listed. There's coding tools not listed here, and these are sort of like the famous tools that you can see. But a lot of new upcoming tools are actually taking over. And the big thing about new tools, two main things. One is that new tools focus on one feature very strongly. So let's say Grammarly probably has 10 different products now, extensions, blah 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 blah. But maybe if you want to write an ebook, that one focused product might help you 10 times more. So that is also very important thing to keep in mind, that if you are looking for that one AI tool, you need to be updated every single day. So for note taker, I told you Granola is a beautiful tool. Granola AI, and I'll show you AI Notepad. Very, very interesting tool, and I think they've reached a very high valuation as well. A lot of big companies use it, and I think overall it's very nice. If you look at the pricing, they have a free 25 free meetings on the free trial, and you can use it if you take notes. Second is that for video generation, I mean, obviously they will mention Synthesia, but for video generation, I think VO3 is the number one right now. And you can Google VO3, you can use it in many different ways, and you will be able to make 8-second videos for free, and then you can pay for whatever videos that you want. Second is that you have HeyGen, which is again beautiful tool for making AI clone, AI videos, all sorts of things. InVideo is a very nice one. InVideo is amazing for faces channels. If you want to make faces channels, you can make that. And again, this is also a pretty good tool for videos. AI assistants, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, Grok is again Gemini is missing. Gemini has a beautiful deep research. You need to start using deep research. I don't think there's anything better than deep research right now. And you can use the preview, and this is actually free for students. So Google Gemini is free, and deep research is amazing. I'm going to cover it in another video, in the next videos. But deep research is amazing for many different things, for interview prep, finding out new things, researching on new things, finding out new skills, making in-depth guides, making in-depth blogs, financing, anything and everything that you want to know can work with deep research. And I'm going to give you, if I give you a little example, it will just search throughout the websites, make a condensed guide. It could be 20 pages, it could be 50 pages, but then again, it does the work for two interns. Let's say you have two interns on a team working for a week. Deep research can combine that work into a few minutes, and you can make 20, 30, 40, 50 pages guides. So I like these kind of blogs. I think you should definitely check these out, but they oftentimes miss the core amazing features from a lot of different applications, and they only pick up sort of famous tools that are available. Famous tools are not necessarily the best ones, and they probably don't even solve your use case. So you have to be careful when you're choosing an AI tool. I think that's a very important thing. And the second most important thing is, how much do you actually know about the product? So let's say I'm talking about Gemini or about ChatGPT. There are hundreds of things in ChatGPT, analysis, PDFs, how to make guides, into prepping, quiz making. There's voice modes. There's hundreds of tools now: imaging, searching, writing. There's deep research. There's different models: O3 mini, O3, O3 mini, O4. There's 4.1 now, 4. Mini, 4.5. You need to understand these tools. If you don't even know about ChatGPT and you're just going on and using 100 tools, you are just wasting your time. So focus on one tool at a time, master these tools, and I think you will see a lot of success.